This pre-production Lightning Blue Ford Bronco is the very first one. Now, back in September of last year, Ford announced that the 2021 Ford Bronco First Edition will be available in Lightning Blue, a color we've seen available in the past on the Ford Mustang, the Ford Ranger, the Ford F-150 Raptor, to name a few. Now Bronco Nation has acquired pictures of the very first pre-production Lightning Blue Ford Bronco to roll off the line of the Michigan assembly plant, and it looks mighty fine, as you can see here. Let's just take a look at the side view and the lights. I mean, the blue is just awesome, folks. Now, the particular Lightning Blue Ford Bronco is a two-door, which shows off the exclusive to the first edition color quite nicely. It appears that the Bronco isn't 100% finished yet. However, as the brush guard that comes standard on the first edition and as an option on the other trim levels hasn't been installed yet. And it looks quite nicely. Just take a look at that. This Lightning Blue is fascinating. Now, the interior is finished in navy pear, which was originally slated to be the only color available with the first edition. Now, after a wave of customer feedback, Ford reversed course and is now also offering a black interior for the lucky 7,000 customers who were able to secure a first edition reservation. Boy, this interior looks nice. I love the blue accents that's in the door, the blue inserts. It's definitely exceptional. Now, the first edition also comes equipped with the Lux package and the Sasquatch package as standard equipment, as well as a host of other unique exterior styling features, including the first edition hood, body side graphics, a molded in color hardtop, the shadow black painted hardtop, which is a late availability option, and the black painted grille and the side mirror caps. It's still exceptional and it's still nice, folks. Now, the first edition is powered by the 2.7 liter EcoBoost V6, which is projected to produce 310 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. Now, it comes standard on the Ford 10-speed automatic transmission with trail control, as well as the advanced 4x4 with automatic on-demand engagement. So, this first edition is the bomb. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.